Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. In West Jordan, we've got a big closure starting next week on 70th South as we work to complete the new interchange at Bangerter Highway. 70th South will be closed in both directions at Bangerter Highway from Monday, March 12th through early May. So to get around this closure, you're going to have to use 7800 South instead. Our crews will be working to install new storm drain, water, and sewer lines, replace sidewalks, curbs, and gutters, add new signals, and reconstruct 70th South under the new bridge. And in Ogden, a project is underway to repair a railroad bridge over a freeway on-ramp at 31st Street. The southbound on-ramp from 31st Street to I-15 is closed every night from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. through the end of March. And next weekend, the on-ramp will be closed from Friday night, March 16th through Monday morning, March 19th. So keep these closures in mind and use other interchanges like 21st or 24th Street to get to southbound I-15. Now for more information on these and all of the UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT traffic app.